Welcome back to Everpreneur, and today we're going to talk about how to get a unified brand name across a variety of different channels and how to know if that brand name is available, right? Like a lot of times when you're picking a brand, when you're picking a name for your account, and just in general for your website, you want to make sure that that name is available on so many different platforms, right? And a way you can do that, and I'm going to put a little picture-in-picture on this, is nameCHK.com. Again, that's nameCHK.com. In there, you can put a potential name. So let's say you're thinking about Alpine Flooring. Alpine Flooring, you put that in there, it's going to tell you exactly where that username is available on as far as a .com, a .net, a .us, so domain-wise, but more, also social media-wise. It's going to tell you if Alpine Flooring is available on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc., all the different platforms that name's available for. So this can cut down your time big time when choosing a brand if you want to make sure that brand is available on all sorts of different platforms. So this could be one of your first steps you do when you're in the beginning stages and looking to build a brand and looking to see, okay, like on the long-term play of this, if I can't get, if I can't get the .com, if I can't get the .net, and Facebook and Twitter's taken, the only thing I can get is Instagram. Is this the kind of brand I want to go with for the long term? Are people going to be confused? If they type in Alpine Flooring in Twitter, it's a completely different company. Is that going to interfere with your brand when they're posting stuff that's completely different, right? And driving them to a website, alpineflooring.com, that's not yours, right? So it's something to think about for sure.
Hey Everpreneurs, did you guys love that video? We're gonna love the next two we picked just for you. Check them out over here and we'll see you there.